We're outside and it
a
really
little
feels,
chilly.
yeah, with sunrise, gets a little colder, and with these colder temperatures, for some it seems like we've been sneezing a lot.
It seems like you've been sneezing a
I
lot, my
have been,
friend.
too.
You have. But, if you have bad allergies, I have bad allergies.
That's
I've
right.
got to stay on my medication all year long. But we want to share some information with you because we're debunking some myths about all of the sneezing that's been going on at this time of year. So let's talk about what we found out, okay? We're going to share the information that we have with you here. Have you ever thought about why you sneeze? Doctors aren't exactly sure. It's thought that we sneeze to help clear our nasal passages or irritants, though. Matt's been irritated. Did I irritate you?
No, you didn't. You never irritate
Never.
me.
Well, 30% of the population sneezes after looking at light. It's called photic sneezing. And doctors believe that the light triggers nerves in your eyes that trigger a sneeze reflex. Most other rumors about sneezing aren't true, though. Your heart does not stop. Kids,
that's good.
Your heart does not stop. You probably could keep your eyes open, though, if you tried hard enough.
That's some really interesting information. Lights. You know how many lights we have
I
out here?
know. We have lights all over the place. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
At least you sneeze in the opposite direction.